And today again I am here with another useful app. Today's useful app name is Google Translate app. Just go to Play Store, type Google Translate app, click upon this Google Translate app, then this icon will appear. It will ask you to install this, and after installing just open it. When you will open it, this Google Translate app is opened. Now this app is useful for conversion from a sentence, word or letter from one language to another language. Means so many languages are given here. You can translate a sentence of one language to another language. And I will show you some languages. Just you have some lines in Hindi, you want to translate that in English. Your task is given by your teacher. Your English teacher has given you to write a sentence or write a paragraph on a topic. You know what to write, but you don't know how to write it in English, so you can easily learn that. So here is the option of enter text. You can give your lines by writing that also. See, वहाँ मत बैठो. This I have written, do not sit there. That is English translation, easily available. Now second way how you can give your input, just see that also. I am deleting it. I want to give another way. I click upon this edit mode. When you will click upon this pencil, see again where this option is. Just click upon this top. At the top these three buttons are given. Click upon this pencil like button. Now this section is given to you. Write here whatever you will write here. यहाँ नहीं बैठो, like this you will write, and then click upon this insert. Do not sit here, it's inserted automatically. One more way you can give your text like this. Just click upon this arrow button. See again how you will move this arrow. This arrow button is given at the left of your screen. Just click upon this arrow. Here it will ask you in which language, from which and to which. You can select any language. I want to translate from Hindi to English only, but now I will give my text by photo only. Means picture I will give, and that picture I will give, and that picture contains some text written in Hindi, and that I want to translate in English, Hindi to English. You can click picture at that time only. You can import if you have picture in your mobile phones. Just click upon this import button and then choose the picture where text is there. Just I am taking this text because here text is written in Hindi. It's getting scanning. Then if you don't want to select all letters, you can delete that letters also. If you want to select all, then click on select all. I have selected all this way, and then click upon their arrow. This line is converted into English. See, there is only one sign of those who give true support, that do not mention, always worry, FB Brahmakumari's daily message. This message was there in that, so that is translated. So many ways are there of being translation. If you want to give in text, you can write that also. If you want to give by typing, you can give by typing also. If you want to give by speaking, means you don't know how to write, you don't have any text written with you, so you can do by audio message also. Just click upon this audio message button. Speaker get activated. Whatever you will speak, that message will be given here. This way you can give. So many ways are there of giving messages, and you can translate as well from any language to another language. So many languages you can choose. Now vice versa, you can do from English to Hindi. You can translate from English to French as well. Just select, first one is from and second one is to. You want to translate from English to French, write here English please come here. That's translated in French. Now you don't know how to pronounce it in French. Here that speaker button is also given. When you will click upon
Viens
this,
ici s'il te plaît.
see, translation also is
Viens
given.
ici s'il te plaît.
So you will learn how to translate that exactly also. So very useful app this is, dear students. So please use this app for your daily things and to enhance your knowledge and your vocabulary as well. Thank you. Hope it will help you a lot and you will use it in your daily life. Thank you, dear students.